Hi folks, this is James Dayley from HypnosisRecordingArtist.com. Thanks for joining me. I want to share with you some of the benefits and bonuses that you're going to get if you sign up for my workshop. So if you're at the HypnoThoughts site, to navigate through, all you need to do is click on Workshops, scroll down to the post-conference 2-day workshops, and you'll find me right here. Just click on this link. This will open up the web page that will describe to you the basics of the 2-day seminar. But what I'm here to describe to you today isn't just what you're getting at the seminar, but what you're getting as soon as you sign up for this 2-day workshop. So all you need to do is click on Get Signed Now, and that'll take you down to the prices. And that'll take you right to the sign up page to sign up for the conference. Just fill this information out, agree to the terms. You have a decision to make here where you can pay one time, split the payment into 2 payments, and for a short time you can also split it into 3 equal payments of $100 a month. Put in your credit card information. If you'd like to take advantage of a discounted membership for the HypnoThoughts convention itself, just click this little button and it will add it to your purchase price. Click on this link and this will take you to your welcome page. You'll receive 2 emails. One will be your receipt. The other email will be your login credentials for Product Dino to access your artist login area. Click on Artist Login, type in your username and password, and that takes you right in to the artist area. Now in this, there are all types of benefits that you can start accessing immediately. As soon as you get registered, I want you to go right in and take a look at all of these extras that you're getting. I'm going to jump around a little bit, but let's show you. First off, we've got the artist area. By clicking on this, it takes you into an area where you'll have exclusive access to your welcome statement, to a website creation questionnaire. This is where you'll fill out a form, and the basis of that information is what we will use at HypnosisRecordingArtist.com to create your artist page. Schedule a private recording session with me at HypnoThoughts. During the course of HypnoThoughts, I am setting up 2-hour time slots for each of the members of the workshop. This 2-hour time slot will be a one-on-one recording session with you. You'll also have access to hypnosis scripts, backtracks. This will give you access to recording tracks. You also will have a royalty-free music license exclusively for the members of this workshop that you can use with your clients. You can use as your background tracks. You can use this just as an example of the types of music that we use. You'll also have access to a list of resources where you can download royalty-free music for your recordings. I've also created a series of lessons. They will take you through the various processes that it takes to become a hypnosis recording artist. First, on how to script out your recordings, where to find your background music and license them, what types of equipment you'll need to use, what equipment you may already have and not be aware of, what software is available, both free and by purchase, that will make your recording process far easier. Post-production, this is where everything comes together, and finally a lesson in promotion. Some of the extras that you'll get are access to some interesting videos that I've done, some demonstrations on some of the hypnosis products that I'm using. You'll also have access to my previous lectures at HypnoThoughts on becoming a hypnosis recording artist. You'll see a demo that I did of using Charm, which is a software program that I use both with clients and with recording. I'm going to be adding different resources in this area as we go along. It never hurts to write your goals down. So I'm giving you access to my hypnotic goal planner This is really important for you to write down your goals and to keep track. This is a downloadable program that helps you keep track of your goals on a day-to-day basis. By writing your goals down, you send a subliminal message to your subconscious mind. Simply by writing our goals down each and every day helps us to achieve our goals as we go along. And one more extra bonus is the social media marketing course. This is an incredible 10-part series teaching you how to use social media to market your materials. That's some of the benefits and bonuses that you'll be receiving once you've signed up to my 2-day post-conference workshop at HypnoThoughts this summer. Looking forward to seeing you there. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness.